Good Tuesday morning, everyone. It is day 2 of our Star Wars at Home week. And there's a lightsaber behind me. She's not excited at all. Oh my word. So I thought for breakfast this morning, to feed my Jedi, that I would do smoothies. My goal is to make smoothies that look like blue milk and green milk. The green's harder, but I have an idea. I'll bring you along through my process. Right now, I'm clearing out space in front of the Ninja, because on vacation week, cleaning kind of just comes as we go. So I'm probably gonna have to move this toaster, but you're going to see what we can do. The blue one I figure is gonna be pretty basic. We're gonna start with 1 banana, 1 cup of frozen blueberries, 1 cup of vanilla almond milk unsweetened, and 2 tablespoons of the French vanilla Torani syrup to sweeten it. And let's give it a shot. Has anybody else ever noticed that blueberries turn purple when you blend them? It's not blue milk, is it?
No. More like purple milk. Are we gonna add bananas to our purple milk?
There is banana in it.
Oh wow. I caught you by surprise.
Said the Lord.
I am not. You tactically pulled out weapons. That makes you sense.
This one's dairy free.
It's also delicious.
I must ask you a question.
Shave it for later.
I would normally rinse it for cross-contamination, but I actually kind of want some of the little bit of flavor left in it for the next one, so I'm just going to leave it. But normally I do rinse these out in between for cross-contamination. Also, this is why it's good if you have somebody who's lactose intolerant to do your non-dairy one first. But now we're going to attempt to do a green milk, although the blue one just turned out purple, so the green one's probably going to turn out chartreuse. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. For this one, we're not either going to do low carb, which the other one accidentally actually was low carb. This one's going to be low carb or dairy free. So let's see how we do. We're going to start with 2 cups of frozen chopped spinach, 2 cups of tropical blend fruit. This is the bag from Aldi's: pineapple, mango, strawberry, and papaya, and 1 cup of yogurt. For sweetener for this one, I'm just going to drizzle in a little bit of honey until I just feel like it's enough. So my Ninja didn't like that recipe, so I'm going to try adding a cup of almond milk into it as well and see if that helps. So with using all frozen stuff, it's coming out really super thick, as you can see. And I mean, when you see a recipe online, it's always hit and miss. So I'm going to try, I've already added 1 cup of almond milk to it. I'm going to try adding half a cup more of yogurt and half a cup more of the almond milk and see if that helps. Green milk smoothies, definitely a lot easier to make. The way that we like our smoothies is to definitely be drinkable, but we prefer to use frozen fruits, frozen vegetables in them, except for like bananas. I didn't put banana in this one because I can't always have banana. It's complicated, but I did it to where it's a little bit easier to drink, just like out of a cup. So we ended up with a total of 1.5 cups of yogurt, 1.5 cups of almond milk, 2 cups of spinach, a little bit of honey, and 2 cups of frozen tropical blend berries. Let's give it a try and see if everybody likes it. That is so thick. If they don't like it, I may end up putting more liquid into it. You got blue milk all over your face. Try the green.
It's too terrible. I have to drink it.
Final opinion is it definitely needed more liquid than what it was calling for, and I would probably reduce the spinach amount and add more fruit to it because it's very, very spinachy, and that's not really what we were going for. We kind of wanted just like a hint of spinach with the fruit, and it's almost completely overpowering the fruit. So we'll probably try this again another day and see if we can, you know, amp up the flavor a little bit. So while Dad and Madeline are working on one of the games in Madeline's book, the other two in here are working on their next pages as well. They are going to be working on vocabulary and finishing up a couple things from yesterday because we didn't finish, but I was okay with that. So we're going to work on vocabulary and we'll finish up yesterday. Then we're going to do today's. And from there, we'll see if maybe we have time for craft today.
What kind of craft?
The slime.
Oh, yay.
I love how super easy this thing is to clean. Blue milk or green milk?
Blue milk. Although I would prefer if it was more blue.
Yeah, that would have been nice. Blue milk or green milk?
Green milk.
Blue milk or green milk?
Blue.
Because it's dairy free or because you like the flavor better?
Because I like the flavor better.
Blue or green?
Blue.
The flavor?
Yeah.
Can you help me make the green one taste better? He's my flavor guy. Have you actually ever had formal culinary training, or is it just
No.
like, yeah, so he like, food comes natural to him, so he's really good at it. So, yay. So while I start editing all the vacation footage, not all of it, a week's worth of vacation footage from the trip from this past weekend, they're gonna start watching episode 3. They're watching episode 3. Then tonight, we'll all together watch Solo, because we all like that one. 3 is not really my favorite anyways. This way, they can go ahead and watch a Star Wars movie while I'm working on something, and then later we can still all watch a movie together. Since it's Tuesday, and we had extra ground beef from the weekend, you made
Tacos.
tacos. So we're gonna have tacos for dinner. And Madeline decided to make brownies. Madeline makes the best brownies. She does them a little under because somebody over here likes fudgy brownies. Very, very fudgy.
The giant teddy bear in the room likes the brownies.
Yeah, the giant teddy bear likes the brownies. We're gonna have this. We're also going to, because I thought about doing Rogue One, except for what problem with watching Rogue One tonight?
Rogue One is actually after Solo.
And Rogue One comes immediately before.
Episode 4.
So we decided to do Rogue One tonight. So I
Not Rogue One,
actually...
we decided to do
Sorry,
Solo
we decided to do Solo tonight and Rogue One tomorrow with episode 4, and we're going to watch them back to back. So what we've done is on the kids channel, they can't watch some things. So what we did was we created a family channel, since on Disney Plus you can actually have 6 accounts. And then on the family channel we watch our family movies together. So that way we can come here and watch the Star Wars movies that we want to watch. I love the background. Let's see. Isn't there a way to watch them? The Vader Collect. No, is it? No, let's, okay, through the years. It's in here somewhere. I'm pretty sure. Actually, I think I'm wrong. I think Solo is still on Netflix as of the end of June. Let's keep looking though.
There's The Force Awakens. It's not going to be on here.
Yeah, I think today is actually June 30th is the last day that Solo is on Netflix, because I think as of tomorrow it goes to Disney Plus. So let's see if we can find it, because
It's right there.
It's the last day it's going to be on here.
Wait a minute.
Wait, actually it says till July 9th.
Go back.
What?
Ah. So they have the Spanish one on here too.
Oh yeah, 2 over is the Spanish. They've started doing that with a couple. When Netflix was doing Disney ones, they would have, like when they had Incredibles 2, they had Incredibles 2 Spanish and Incredibles 2 English. But this is the English one.
On here.